What's going on, everybody? It's your boy J Ivy League. Thank you for tuning in again. If you're watching on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, all that, I really appreciate it. I really appreciate everybody who checked out my last video and left well wishes, sent me messages, all of that. Thank you so much. But all that being said, let's jump into the new video. So this shirt I have is from a company called Rip and Repair. I really am starting to like these guys. Ran into them over at my family shop, P's and Q's, and saw this shirt and I had to pick it up. So let's check it out. So here it is, Love Hotel, off-white, really cool, really good cotton, really heavy. I might have to put this on kind of around when the fall time is coming, just because it's a little heavier for the summer, but I really like that they gave you really good quality cotton for this. The back is really vibrant, really dope, a little risque of the tie up, but yeah, this is really, really great shirt. Give you a look at the top, boom, 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 boom. Front again, love it, absolutely love the shirt. Shout out to those guys for putting out quality material. Second up would be a shirt that I almost missed out on. I would have been very upset because I'm a very big fan of this guy. It's the Kid Cudi Virgil Abloh Leader of the Delinquents shirt. I'll show you the back first. Really cool. Front, Kid Cudi playing with Kid Cudi the puppet. Only gripe about this shirt is that it's a little short, just a little short. But if you look at the graphic right there, Kid Cudi likes his shirts like that, so it goes with the aesthetic of Kid Cudi. There's the tag so you guys can see it. Boom, really cool. Yeah, I love this shirt. Not sure if I want to keep it. I might drop it off to Common Ground, filling them boys over there. But if I do that, I will let you know on my Instagram. But this is a really great shirt. I love the concept. Third shirt is one of my favorite artists. His name is Tristan Eaton. How I found out about this guy was, I think the Tumblr days, he had a mural of Versace in Miami. I think it was Wynwood, but I'm not 100% sure. I definitely can, Google that and check that out. But the mural was so well done. It was so vibrant. It was so cool. I had to find out who this guy was. So after doing a little research, I found out it was Tristan Eaton and absolutely fell in love. I do have one of his pieces right back there, right next to one of my Obey pieces. And this is a collaboration with the Universal Pictures and the Hundreds. Dracula tee, the front, there you go. It's gonna be a great shirt for around the October time when it's Halloween time. But look at the back. Look at that. The full picture of that. I mean, it's well done. And if you know Tristan Eaton, you know this is his style right here. Really great. And the Hundreds always come out with quality t-shirts, but this one, he knocked it out the park with this one. I believe P's and Q's still have these available. I'm not sure if they have the purple, because they did come up with purple, but I'm pretty sure they do have a couple of the black left, so go check out my homies over there. They might have some left. Yeah, great shirt, great shirt. Very October-ish shirt, but I cannot wait to wear those. This one is a shirt that I've been searching for so long. It was always sold out, rightly so, because it's a great shirt. This is the ChinaTown Market, CNN. The most trusted bootleg shirt. Look at this. So we got the bootleg in the front, CNN, with the back. Boom. With the puff print too, which is always, that's always a great touch with the puff print. Look at that. This shirt is, people are gonna see this shirt and think that I'm wearing a CNN shirt, and I can't wait to turn around like it's not. But hopefully it starts some cool conversations, But this is something this is a shirt I've always wanted from them. The homie Key over at P's and Q's gave me a call and said, hey, we got it in. The XLs always sell out, so do you want one? I said, yes, please, and I went and grabbed it the next day. So, super, super cool. And Chinatown Market always gives you great cotton. It's always nice and heavy, so that's, A1 quality shirt. Next up is the Ralph Lipschitz shirt from P's and Q's past collection. This shirt has a really cool meaning to it. So if you know anything about Philadelphia and you know anything about Tower Records was somewhere on South Street that you would go and see your favorite artists. They would sign your CDs and stuff like that if people were coming to town for concerts. Usually they're at that Tower Records. So this is something that represents South Street. And the part that they put Lipschitz at the bottom, of course we all know that's Ralph Lauren's name, real name, before he changed it to Lauren. But yeah, this shirt is fire, super fire. And the fact that they brought that South Street feel with the Tower Records shirt on the bearer is really cool. Next up, one of my favorite shirts from the archives. I'm going to actually start showing some shirts that I've previously purchased that I still love, that I think the world should know and see because they're great concepts and they're great t-shirts. So the first one in this series would be the original from P's and Q's. Boom. The back though is where the magic happens. So check this out, guys. Look at that. So these are all artists, and people from Philadelphia, and it's a class, what do you call that? Class photo tee. It's really cool though. Everybody's face superimposed on the bodies. So cool. I absolutely love this shirt so much. Let me give you another look at the back. So we have the Made of America concert every year, and they usually come out with a shirt to coincide with that concert, and that was the one. Don't put my feet to the fire. I want to say it was either a year or 2 years ago now, but that is one of my favorite shirts out of my collection, and I wanted to give that one some shine. So next up is what's on my feet for right now. What am I wearing today? And what I'm wearing today is the Nike Daybreak. Simple, clean. Like, what's the colors in this? Let me see. I have my cheat sheet. So this is the Ocean Fog Metallic Gold Nike Daybreak. People slept on this shoe, and every time I wear it, I have somebody stop me and say, "Yo, where'd you get that shoe from?" Quality of the suede is really great. Simple, light, but it's such a great shoe. I have these in actually a couple of different colors because it's just a great summer shoe. You can put it on, it looks great for any outfit, but that gold is what makes it pop. And of course you have your chain on or something, you flossing. It looks good with that too. The next thing I have for you guys would be accessories. I'm always gonna pick out one new accessory because I love accessories. So this is something that I picked up from my homie and my family over there at Common Ground in Philadelphia. It's the Fall Winter 19, I believe, Supreme bag. Look at that. If you know me, you know I love these Supreme bags. So this is one I had to pick up. Got the embroidery up top. Give me that. I'm gonna rock this mostly in the fall time, but this is something that I love. I just can't wait to actually pull this out and wear it. And that's kind of it for this week. Wanted to give you guys a quick video. I didn't want it to be too long like last time. I am still waiting for my Super 73, but they said it should be here by Thursday or Friday, so I will have an unboxing video with that sometime next week. And some rider videos too, because I cannot wait to get my blue S2. After all that, guys, love is love to you. Like I said, thank you for watching the video again. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for even your constructive criticism. I have no problems with that. Hope you guys have a great day. Love is love. Peace.